In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register Airbnb. By the end, you'll have a fully set up account that you can use as a guest or a host, and you'll know exactly what to expect along the way. Start by opening Airbnb on the web or in the mobile app. On the home screen, look for the option that says Login or Sign Up. Since we're creating a new account, choose Sign Up. The layout can look slightly different on desktop and mobile, but the button will be easy to spot near the top of the page or at the bottom of the screen. Next, choose how you want to sign up. You can register with your phone number, with an email address, or by using a Google or Apple account. Pick the option you're most comfortable keeping up to date with, then tap or click Continue. Using a Google or Apple login can make sign-ins quicker in the future, while email and phone are straightforward and work well too. Now enter your details, type in your name, and make sure it matches how it appears on your government ID to avoid hiccups during identity checks later. Provide your email or phone number depending on the method you chose. If you signed up with email or phone, you may be asked to create a password. Choose a secure password you won't reuse elsewhere. Then select Next to proceed. Airbnb will now verify your account. A short code will be sent to you by SMS or by email. Open the message, copy the code, and enter it in the verification box. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment, then check your spam or junk folder for email or request a new code if needed. Codes expire, so enter it promptly, then tap Confirm. To finish, complete your profile. Adding a profile photo is optional, but it helps build trust when interacting with hosts and guests. Fill in your personal information so your account is accurate and recognizable, then save your changes. You can return and refine your profile anytime. A few important notes before we wrap up. Registration is free. Before you can book a stay or host guests, you'll be asked to verify your identity within Airbnb. This helps keep the community safe and ensures smoother bookings. And remember, you only need one account. Use the same profile whether you're traveling as a guest or listing a place as a host. That's it. You've registered your Airbnb account and you're ready for the next step whenever you are. Thanks for watching and happy traveling or hosting.